When we met Christopher, his professionalism, actually even the ability to listen to our needs and understanding what we want to do with that particular sale was a complete different experience from what we've seen before. We wanted someone to represent us, give us the space, and at the same time communicate to us in a way that we will know exactly what is happening with our sale.
When we sold our previous house, we had to purchase something new, and we were driving around and we decided we liked this neighborhood and we wanted a bungalow, and there was nothing for sale. What Christopher did for us, he went door to door and he actually knocked on the doors until he found someone who was kind of interested. It wasn't even on the market. They actually did sell the house to us. It was a great purchase. We're very, very happy with it. We really know we can trust him. He's our real estate agent. There's nobody else. We never look around. We never look for anybody else. Anything that has to do with real estate, we always call him. We know that he's there and he always gives us good advice. We always recommend him to everybody.